National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, Clark County in northwestern Virginia, Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, south central Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Berryville or near Millwood Pike, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Winchester, Charlestown, Millwood Pike, Ranson, Berryville, Corporation of Ranson, Boyce, Midway, Brucetown, White Post, Greenwood, Gaylord, Vanville, Clearbrook, Briggs, Stevenson, Wickliffe, Wadesville, Millwood, and Summit Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.